What a great solution to where are all my tools. This general tool set, while it makes a great gift, it's also just a great upgrade, an organization of your own tools and a fresh new set of tools. Look at all the great things here. This has 58 pieces in it. It has drill bits. It has a screwdriver that works with these drill bits that will put any size screwdriver that into this base that will give you exactly what you need, whether it's cross, Phillips, regular screwdriver, and they'll all be very organized here. Then you have the tiny ones for eyeglasses and very small projects. You have a great set of Allen wrenches, a fresh wrench, 2 different sets of Allen wrenches of different sizes, a great X-Acto box cutter knife here, and a wonderful stainless steel hammer with a rubberized base to keep it nice and safe. A good pair of sharp scissors, stainless steel scissors with precision tips and jar opening features in the middle there, as well as a nice, fresh, easy, slick measuring tape with a stop and hold feature that's stiff and gives you all those great measurements that you need. Wonderful set of tools. I highly recommend them. They also come in this great case here that's easily to carry around and store. This was provided for me from this fine company to share with you, and I'm very happy to share its efficiency, its craftsmanship, and the fact that it will be very organized and a fresh set. Wonderful gift. Highly recommend it. It closes flat with these closed tight handles. Great gift. Highly recommend it.